If you recall in the last video, this is the NEMA 2000 network diagram that we finished with on that video. I have since learned that the Fox Marine MEFI-3 engine gateways do not like to be on 24/7, and the preference is for those units to be turned off if the engines are not running. The reason given by Fox Marine is a 24/7 application could end up shortening the lifespan of the Bluetooth devices contained in the gateways. Therefore, it was necessary to augment my NEMA 2000 network in the following ways. This new diagram reflects the changes that I've made to the NEMA 2000 network. I have highlighted the changed areas outlined in red. In the center of the screen, I have added a Garmin isolation Tee and an additional Tee for my second power injector. These were added to the multi-port Tee under my console at the helm. I merely removed my backbone extension cable to the end of that chain. Additionally, I have used an RJ45 Ethernet connection from my Victron battery charger straight into my Serbo GX, only requiring one NEMA port to be used for all Victron equipment. The yellow Garmin isolation Tee prevents 12-volt DC power from traveling past that point, but allows NEMA 2000 data traffic to continue to pass through the system as normal. This allowed me to insert the power injector with a separate breaker at the helm. I can now turn on or off that portion of the network after my engines are started or stopped. This means everything downstream of the Garmin Isolator is on a separate circuit, but still on the same NEMA 2000 network. It is just powered by an alternate 12-volt DC source. The same principles apply here with terminators. You will need a female terminator at one end and a male terminator at the other end. When I built this network, the thought was to only use one power supply. However, the real-world application dictated a second power source. I hope this video was helpful in showing how to turn a single power source NEMA network into two power sources safely. Have a great day and happy boating.